In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet Dynamic Views. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have access to the sheet or project you want to work with. Dynamic views are all about controlling what different people can see and edit. So it's best to open a sheet that already has some data, like tasks, dates, and owners. From your Smartsheet home screen, go ahead and open a sheet or project you'd like to manage with dynamic views. This could be a project plan, a task tracker, or any sheet where multiple collaborators are involved and you need to protect certain information. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen, just above your grid. You'll see the current or default view that you're using. This might be something like Grid View, Gantt View, Card View, or Calendar View, depending on how you last used the sheet. This area controls how your data is displayed, and it's where you'll access dynamic views. Click on that default view name at the top. When you click it, a small menu will appear showing the different ways you can look at your sheet. This is an important step because dynamic views live in this same menu area. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just make sure you've clicked directly on the view label, not somewhere else on the toolbar. From the menu that appears, look through the options and select the dynamic view option. Choosing this tells Smartsheet that you want to open or work with a dynamic view connected to the sheet you're currently in. Depending on your configuration, Smartsheet may open the Dynamic View panel or take you into the Dynamic View app interface, where you can create or manage views that control what different users can see. At this point, you're ready to start customizing who can view or edit specific columns or rows, without giving them full access to the underlying sheet. Dynamic views are especially useful when you're sharing with external partners, clients, or anyone who only needs a slice of your data. To recap, open your sheet or project, click on the